So right here I have a water meter pulse register. This works in tandem with a regular water meter. This is what goes on the outside of the building so the water meter people can see it. Because you don't want your pipes going outside. I mean, your water meter is in your house for a reason, so it doesn't freeze. So anyway, to get this opened, we just pull this out right here. Don't drop it on the floor. And basically this lifts up here. This cover comes off like that. And there you can see there's our coil. There's where your pair of wire gets attached. And there's your numbers. It just sits there and goes tick, 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 and makes that spin. Yeah, there's your hole right there for the wire to come into it. And there's your places to mount it on the wall. To get this back on, we just take this, push it down in there. Come on, get down in there. You gotta push this down tight. Take this piece. There you can see how that is. It has that tongue on there. And we're just gonna take this, pop it back on there like that. And there you're ready to go. The wires just go into the water meter right here. This door pops off. And your wires just go in there to the 2 screws. And it just goes outside with a wire to tell them how much water you used. So basically you have this arrow right here that's showing gallons. And this 0 here represents this. And then when that goes to 10 gallons, this will switch to 1. And then when it gets to 9, this next one will switch to 1.